Sanibonani Abusheni Dumelang, gama lami uKhiphusizi, and today ngithi ngiyabonga for all the likes, for all the views, for all the sharing. And yeah, the aim is to actually reach out to that one person who actually needs to hear the message that I am offering for Lero Sugulelo, and hope with those who are actually saving, and I hope it encourages you to know ukuthi anything empilweni is possible. It is okay for you to want the best for you. You know, kuyenzeka kwesinye isikhathi we go through so much ubunzima, you know, as people, and we think ukuthi there's no way out. There's always a way out kuyo yonke the difficulties that we face singabantu. We all go through difficulties, we all face challenges, but how we come out of them is the important part. Ukuthi usuke usasola kangakanani. While you are at that stage, find that space within you to say, I will get through this, I will get out of this situation, I will be saved from le mpilo engiyiphilayo engayifisi ukuyiphila anymore, kodwa I will find a way to make things better for mina and those around me. Yonke into has its time, and we never have to throw in the towel because you don't know what tomorrow holds for you.